Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So guys, I'm coming to you with some healthy and delicious recipes at the same time. Alright, please remember to leave your girl a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Alright my peeps, so now we're gonna make a healthy juice for you, or smoothie, however you want to call it. Alright, this one is gonna be aloe pineapple with ginger and lemon juice. Alright, guys, this is gonna detoxify your body. It's gonna clean and build your immune system. All right, it's super good. All right guys, so first of all, aloe is amazing. It has antioxidants. Aloe has most of the B vitamins, and it has vitamin C, vitamin E. It also, I think, it has vitamin A. It has folic acid, it has iron, magnesium, potassium. Like, it's super healthy. All right, it's good for your skin. It's also good for your hair. It soothes digestion because of the enzymes. It help to control your digestive system. It's good for your gut health. All right, help with constipation. All right, so you know, if you worry, if you go to the bathroom, go on a regular. All right. It's a super food. All right, it's good for your inside and out hair, skin, nail. It's good for your gum, help against gum disease. It help also to lower your cholesterol levels. Yes, help to control, if you're a diabetic, incorporate more aloe in your daily diet. It helps to control the blood sugar level. All right, and once you have good cholesterol right there, guys, you have good heart. All right, so it also good for heart health. All right, aloe is a super food. All right, it help with heartburn as well. All right, so, and pineapple, you know, say how pineapple good for detoxify and weight loss. So all of this come together. It's a good weight loss detox juice here, good for inflammation, and it keeps like bacteria and stuff away. All right, it good for like sunburn as well. Aloe is a super healthy food, and the ginger is good for pain, and the lemon juice good for weight loss, and you know, it's gonna purge your blood. Okay. All right guys, over here to the blender, we're gonna put the aloe vera, and we're gonna put some pineapple. All right, we're gonna blend everything at once. We have some ginger. I blend it myself. We're gonna put like a tablespoon, and we're gonna put like 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, or a tablespoon. All right, and we're not gonna blend it with much water. Okay, so just about a cup and a half of water. And you can add a little bit of honey to it, guys, but I'm not gonna put any honey today. I don't have any honey. But you can put like a tablespoon of honey if you want. All right, oh, let me plug this thing in. All right guys, with this one I'm not gonna strain it. All right, if you want to strain it, you can. This one I'm gonna drink as is. All right, so we're gonna blend it. You can even add some mangoes to it as well. I'm gonna come back with lots more recipe. All right, so let's blend. See how it is, guys? Don't need to strain it. Guys, what I just did, I end up adding like a tablespoon of my sea moss gel. I want it to be a little bit more thick, and you know, it have a lot more benefits as well. So let's blend a little bit more. You see it, guys? Now it's kind of come together a little bit more, and super healthy. Look at this. Look at that goodness. You see it with the sea moss gel. Super healthy as well. More antioxidants, more superfood. All right, gonna clean and build your immune system. All right, guys. Good for your skin, good for your nails, good for your hair, good for your eyes, good for your digestive system, inside and out. Make you go on a regular. Meanwhile, it's gonna prevent inflammation, infection, bacteria. Also help with cold and flu, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, help with diabetes level, cholesterol lower as well. It's a super drink here. Gonna clean and build your immune system. And if you want it a little bit sweeter, add a little bit of honey. All right, guys. Okay, love up on me and I love up on you. All right, my peeps, I just want to taste the goodness for you. Look at this. Oh my, see this, guys? Drink it. Guys, you see me cock soup over there, so some soup me I make. Drink this few times a week, guys. Good for you. I would say about 3 times per week is good enough. All right, have a good day. Bye, guys.